Roles and responsibilities of a project manager. A project manager is like the coach of a sports team. They might not be the ones scoring the goals or making the plays, but they're the ones who create the game plan, ensure each player knows their role, and keep everyone motivated and focused. The coach adjusts strategies on the fly, solves problems as they arise, and encourages the team to perform at their best. Just as a coach brings together different talents to achieve a win, a project manager coordinates the efforts of various team members to ensure the project's success. The project manager coordinates the team, manages resources, communicates with stakeholders, and ensures that the project stays on track. They are problem solvers, facilitators, and motivators, all rolled into one. Let's dive into the roles and responsibilities with some scenarios for each. Defining project scope and objectives. The project manager begins by clearly defining the project scope and objectives. This is like a coach setting the game plan, making sure everyone on the team understands the strategy and knows what the end goal looks like. Planning and scheduling. The project manager is responsible for creating a detailed project plan and schedule. This involves defining the project's objectives, scope, deliverables, and milestones. They break down the project into tasks, estimate the time required for each, and create a timeline. Imagine you're managing the development of a new software application. You'll start by outlining the project's phases, such as requirements gathering, design, development, testing, and deployment. You'll then create a detailed schedule that includes deadlines for each phase, assign tasks to team members, and set milestones to track progress. 3. Resource management. Efficiently allocating and managing resources is crucial. This involves determining what resources, people, equipment, materials are needed, ensuring their availability, and managing their utilization throughout the project. Supposing you're overseeing the construction of a new office building, you need to allocate resources such as construction workers, machinery, and materials. You ensure that the right number of workers are scheduled at each stage of construction, that machinery is available when needed, and that materials are delivered on time to avoid delays. 4. Team coordination and leadership. With the project plan in hand, the project manager leads and coordinates the team, ensuring that everyone works in harmony. They facilitate collaboration, resolve conflicts, and keep the team motivated, much like a conductor guiding musicians to play in sync. Risk management, identifying potential risks, assessing their impact, and developing strategies to mitigate or manage these risks is a key responsibility. This includes creating a risk management plan and responding to issues as they arise. For the same office building project, you identify potential risks, such as delays in material delivery or adverse weather conditions. You develop contingency plans, such as securing alternative suppliers and scheduling buffer days for weather-related delays. You continuously monitor these risks and adjust your plans as necessary. Communication with stakeholders. Facilitating effective communication between all stakeholders is essential. This involves ensuring that everyone involved in the project is informed about progress, changes, and issues. During the software development project, you organize regular meetings with the development team, stakeholders, and clients. You provide updates on project progress, discuss any issues or changes, and gather feedback from clients to ensure their needs are being met. Clear and timely communication helps prevent misunderstandings and keeps everyone aligned. Quality management, ensuring that the project deliverables meet the established quality standards, is a critical responsibility. This involves defining quality requirements, conducting inspections, and implementing quality control measures. In the office building project, you set quality standards for construction materials and workmanship. You conduct regular inspections and quality checks to ensure that the construction meets these standards. For example, you might check the strength of the concrete used and ensure that the building's design specifications are followed precisely. Budget management. Managing the project budget involves estimating costs, allocating financial resources, monitoring expenditures, and ensuring that the project stays within its budget. For the software application project, you create a budget that covers costs such as development tools, salaries, and testing. You track expenses as the project progresses, compare them against the budget, and make adjustments if necessary to avoid overspending. If unexpected costs arise, you work with the team to find solutions that fit within the budget. 9. Stakeholder management. Engaging with stakeholders and managing their expectations is crucial for project success. This includes understanding their needs, addressing their concerns, and keeping them informed and satisfied. In the office building project, you regularly meet with stakeholders, including the client, local authorities, and community members. You address any concerns they might have, provide updates on the project's progress, and ensure that their needs and expectations are met. Effective stakeholder management helps build trust and ensure support for the project closure and evaluation. Finally, once the project is complete, the project manager oversees the closure process. This includes finalizing deliverables, releasing resources, and conducting a post-project evaluation to learn from the experience. It's like a coach wrapping up the game, debriefing the team, reviewing what went well, and discussing areas for improvement to prepare for the next match.